So this is the Kurimup Cabin Air Filter. It says high efficiency, activated carbon, easy installation, and 3-level filtration. The instructions are on the back of how to install it. Let's pull it out of the package here. And that's what the cabin filter looks like there. It does look like it comes dirty, but that's just the activated carbon filter. It also shows you the airflow direction on the side, so you know which way to install it. Seems like pretty good quality, similar to the other ones I've used. I'm going to go ahead and install this in my 2016 Honda Civic EX 2-liter, but I'm sure this works with many other models as well, so just double check your specifications. And the cabin filter location is behind your glove box inside your car. And then the cabin filter sits behind this door up here. There's some tabs on the side to remove it. And there it is there. We'll pull that out. So the old one's quite dirty, full of all sorts of debris and pollen. And the new one is nice and clean, and it's the exact size match. It looks like it'll fit perfectly. And we'll slide that back in there with the airflow direction in the correct way. Same way it came out. We'll put the cover back on and close our glove box back up, and we are done. And again, that's the Kurimup Cabin Air Filter. Seems like decent quality, and I would buy it again for my car.